Welcome back. You're watching us here on Halftime Report. The market continues to rise now and quickly at that. We have the Nifty now sitting closer to that 17,100 mark. And most of the gains actually have been led by not only the Nifty Bank, which is currently sitting with a gain of almost 200 points. We have L&T as well as HDFC. Both these heavyweights on the index doing well. So L&T has moved to the high point of trade. The intraday chart of that comes up for you. HDFC Limited is the other one. It's a non-banking financial stock, so not on the Nifty Bank. So that is another one which is leading the index higher. And the third one actually, which is just swum into my ken, is ITC, which is up almost 1.5%, 2% off the lows at the high point. So together, these three heavyweights and the Nifty Bank have led the Nifty closer to that 17,100 mark. But the stock on our radar right now is Suzlon, and this in our special segment, Insight Edge, where we get you all the insight and an edge over all of that from the conversation that we had with the management today. Vivek is joining in to talk about Suzlon. The company has rejigged its management, of course, after the passing away of former MD and CEO Tulsi Tanti. Earlier today, we spoke with the top management as well. Vivek, what do you make of the conversation and what does the future look like for the company?
Well, that's right, Mangalam. A very interesting conversation with the management, with the new management of Suzlon after the unfortunate passing away of Sri Tulsi Tanti. So as of now, the management control lies largely with the Tanti family itself. So what the management has done is the board has appointed Vinod Tanti, Tulsi Tanti's brother, as the chairman and managing director for 3 years more, and Girish Tanti as the executive director and executive vice chairman for 3 years. So what the management indicated in our conversation is the fact that they expect management to largely stay within the family. In fact, they also said that the Sanghvi family, Dilip Sanghvi, also owns a significant stake in the company. They said that they would also be tapping into his knowledge and his expertise as well as and when required. But largely, they do not foresee any changes as far as that particular management control is concerned. More importantly, what was the overhang was the smooth control or the smooth process as far as the rights issue was concerned. So the management came and they said that the rights issue is on track. There are no delays there. The company is looking to raise almost 1,200 crores via this particular rights issue. And importantly, the promoters would be participating in the rights issue, and also Dilip Sanghvi too, has confirmed that he would continue to participate in the rights issue that was earlier mentioned. Importantly, the debt picture of the company, it's one of the companies that has quite a bit of a large debt, and it's been struggling in order to pay its interest repayments on time. So what's going to happen is that the company, out of the 1,200 crore, 900 crore would largely go towards debt repayment, and the company, which had an EBIT of around 850 crores in FY 2022, is targeting a debt-to-equity ratio of close to 2:1. When it comes to the shareholding pattern, and Mangalam, you did prod the management quite a bit in terms of how exactly, or is Suzlon on the block, basically, but they were quite categorically said that at least for the time being, nothing of that sort on the anvil. But the promoter shareholding, is something a little bit of a concern. 14.47% stake is with the promoter and promoter family, and Dilip Sanghvi, under various entities, holds close to 12% in the company.
Okay, all right, Vivek. Thanks for getting us all of